First of all, the EPAC TV News welcome.
Itkum hay nalakpasida Lamdamsida Leiminariba Tongan amadi Dharma Jati ki khena balaitana nushinabagi mari hena cheshinduna santi oina panba lamdam oirasanu haina news networking body ama oiriba EPAC group of news na miyamda Yaifa Paojel pirakli networking body ashigi founder president Saidur Maivamna kudek piduna thadorokpa Yaifa charol asina hai miyam puna pangthokadoriba Eid ki thoram ashina Lamdamsigi Tongan Tonganba Furup mashal gi marakta nushi chanabagi Paojel piba kumhai ama oirasanu haina so charol asina makatarakli.
The EPAC Group of News was set up on 7th July 2017 as a news networking body. Now it completes 7 years in service. Under the aegis of EPAC Group of News, one news networking YouTube channel and Facebook page called EPAC TV News has been set up in the year 2021. It is providing news throughout the world day and night. Saidur Maibam is the managing director cum editor of the EPAC TV News. He is young and talented journalist of Manipur. Under his guidance, news updates are being disseminated all over the world. Both YouTube channel and Facebook page of the EPAC TV News becomes a successful news channel. It is due the full cooperation of the people. The news channel seeks support of the people. People may subscribe, like, share, and follow it, so that it can serve the people further. The EPAC TV News. Once again, thanks the supporters.